perhaps one of the best-known medicinal uses for castor oil is as a natural laxative. It's classified as a stimulative laxative, meaning that it increases the movement of the muscles that push material through the intestines, helping clear the bowels. Castor oil is approved by the Food and Drug Administration or FDA as a stimulative laxative. Castor oil is a thick, odorless oil made from the seeds of the castor plant or Ricinus communis. These seeds, which are known as castor beans, contain a toxic enzyme called ricin. However, the heating process that castor oil undergoes during production deactivates the ricin, allowing the oil to be used safely. Its use dates back to ancient Egypt, where it was first used as lamp fuel and later for medicinal and beauty treatments. Rich in fatty acids, castor oil has moisturizing qualities that may help keep your skin hydrated and healthy. Castor oil acts as a humectant, a substance that traps moisture in your skin to keep it soft and smooth. In this way, like other skin-friendly oils, castor oil also acts as a barrier to help prevent moisture from evaporating from the skin. Applying castor oil to wounds creates a moist environment that may help promote healing and prevent sores from drying out. Additionally, ricinoleic acid, the main fatty acid found in castor oil, has anti-inflammatory and pain-reducing properties. It may help reduce skin inflammation, support healing, and aid in pain reduction in people with wounds. Keep in mind that castor oil topical wound treatments contain a combination of ingredients, not just castor oil. You should not apply castor oil to any wound without checking with a healthcare professional first. Research shows that castor oil has antibacterial and antifungal properties that may be helpful in keeping dentures clean. One study found that soaking dentures in a 10% castor oil solution for 20 minutes effectively kills oral bacteria and fungi. Even though some people regularly use castor oil as part of their hair care routine, there's currently no scientific evidence that castor oil helps promote hair health, stimulates hair growth, or reduces hair loss. Castor oil is a traditional method of stimulating labor. This was once the go-to method for inducing labor, and some midwives continue to favor this natural method of induction. Castor oil's laxative effects are believed to play a role in its labor-inducing properties. When consumed orally, castor oil stimulates the bowels, which can irritate the uterus and cause contractions. If you're interested in using castor oil for constipation or any other health condition, talk with your healthcare professional first to determine whether castor oil is safe and appropriate to use for your specific health needs. Thank you for watching, hopefully useful.